So we've seen list slicing already. We're going to take that idea a little bit further and deal with the increment in a list slice. So here we've got a list of students, and we've got the name, age, and degree. And then we just repeat that in the list for these next two students. So list slicing has this format of start, stop, and then I didn't mention this before, but it has increment. So we can go ahead and, if we want to pull all the names out, we can do that by starting at 0, going to the length of the list, and we can increment by 3, right? Because every name, we start at index 0, we add 3, we add 3. And if I print these, we'll see that we've got a list of names. If I actually put the name of the list there, right? Jenna, Mike, Louisa. And I can do something similar for their ages. So let's do ages, and this time we'll start at index 1, where we see this first age. And if I run this, we've got their ages. And finally, we can grab their degrees. Same idea, we start at index 2, and what we see out of this is 3 lists that are all sliced from the original list, and it was as easy as just setting the initial index and giving an increment.